Bella, wanna say hi? Bella? Bella? Up here. Hi. No, shove a camera in your face. Do you mind that? No. Oh. You're sleeping. Look at those eyes. And she's back too. Wake, wake. I need to find a stick for that. Just go find a stick. That's actually an apple tree. But it doesn't. What? Sorry. Ew! Spiders! Spiders! Okay. That's...
Oh, that's pleasant. Let's go actually somewhere without spiders. Let's go find a stick. I mean, a big stick. A stick that can hold up a sunflower. The blind.
So, I probably need a boat trusty dog. And the strawberries that I put in there are rotten. Great. The only way to possibly know that I've been in the kitchen is get the cupboards.
Close the cupboard.
And the door. Yes. Just a habit of mine.
On a soundtrack or something. I can sing, guys. I can sing.
Yeah.
What kind of wood?
I'm wondering if we should all come
Popcorn. Looks like the purple minion.
What?
You look like the purple minion. He's like, he's like, banana.
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 Now what's
Banana. No, don't say banana. How are you going to get the alpacas?
Okay, don't scream at them. Because don't they raise them for their fur?
Yeah,
But then what do they make out of it?
like blankets and stuff.
Never heard of an alpaca blanket.
I got slippers from sheeple.
What are they doing? Any thoughts, Kendai?
On what?
On what? On the table.
They are building the table.
Yes, they are. They are repairing the table. The rotten table.
You don't want to ride on the
I'm probably going to speed that up more.
Good.
You want to go down in the carriage?
Carriage.
Golf cart. Okay.
Carriage.
Go.
You know what the girls, whatever the girls do.
This way.
It seems like it'd be hard to move in this.
And what?
Oh, where's Jessica?
Still camera.
I'll go to the playground.
You want to go to
Who's
the
going in
playground?
where?
Here we go. Here we go.
You.
We all saw the
You should speed that up and be like, here we go.
Here we go. Here we go.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. We all saw the... You should speed that up and be like, here we go. Here we go.
Yeah.
He thinks it's really funny when I speed or slow down stuff.
Yeah, because it's like, whoa. There's whoa. That's mine. That's mine.
Oh, you ain't going with this.
Oh, say something so I can slow down. Say stuff.
Stay still.
Say
High five.
It's only
Yeah.
Can you say meow meow?
Okay, so guys, you want to go to the beach?
Yeah.
To the beach.
To the beach.
Yeah.
Why do you do this?
Oh, you gonna cheer? To the beach. To the beach.
Mama shark,
Do you lots of legs? Oh, you do legs and arms.
Oh, you do more?
Leg,
You
lots of legs. Lots of legs.
Lots of legs.
I like the legs.
Look at me now.
I like the legs.
CPR, CPR,
Party with Jesus.
Yeah, going to heaven, go to heaven. And then party with Jesus. Party with Jesus.
We're videotaping each other.
That's what vloggers do. It's so weird.
I know. It's like, oh, hey. They vlog wherever they go, and then they vlog each other vlogging.
And then they do hug.
Hug. Hi, Ella. You say hi?
Hi.
And you pick your nose.
Here, do you want your castle stuff?
Swimming pool. Going Oh no, I'm not really a big swimming person.
Ooh, water feels good. It's not too cold.
Oh,
It's
it's
warm.
freezing.
Are you kidding me? It feels great. It's not too warm. It's not too cold.
It is cold.
I'm getting wet.
It's drizzling.
The water feels nice.
It feels freezing.
Bring my feet over for me, will you?
Okay. 100.
You jumped in.
No, it's not. It's freezing.
How come I'm in the water?
Cause you're crazy. It's freezing. You can't tell if it's drizzling. And my leg is freezing. That's part. Oh, my nose! Oh, that's so exciting. Right there, right there, right there. Quick, go get the nuts. Go get the nuts. Mom!
I'm
Mama.
eating you.
Give me both the nuts.
They're in my nose.
In my nose.
No, I didn't bring nuts. This is what we got. We got bubbles. We got a shovel. And we have catchy things.
I'll take this thing.
You want the bucket?
Oh, just the bucket.
Just the bucket.
And the shovel.
And the shovel.
Okay.
Yay!
Wait, good. 10 seconds. There she goes. I can't run that fast. Nope. Just loses my breath. Kenzie, where are you? Kenzie, I can't see.
My nose. Now the swing act. These swings are
So Kenzie, let's interview you.
What's what?
Interview you.
On what?
I don't know. What is your favorite color?
Blue.
Animal.
Horse.
State.
Dog. Cat.
I think.
Every animal in the whole entire world.
State.
Including the extinct ones.
Extinct.
Extinct.
State.
Instinct.
No. State.
Instinct.
State. Your favorite
State.
state.
My favorite state.
Yeah. Scent. Smell. Word. Vowel. Which letter do you like the most?
Can you answer these questions?
My favorite letter is C. My favorite number that reminds me of C is 6 and 12. My favorite animal is a wolf, a fox, and a nut. What the heck is that? Hey, it's a fly. Hello, little fly. Let's interview you. What's your name, little fly? No, the fly. The fly flew away.
I'm trying to hit that beetle.
The one. Oh, hello, beetle. Let's interview you. What's your name? Kenzie. You're killing my interview opponents. Wait, what's the call?
I don't want to go swimming. -8.
What?
-8.
-8.
-8.
You're still counting. Yeah, are you counting? No? Like really, you look really like dark. You're in like the shadow. Like you can't even see your face. Yeah, you can.
I got sand in my eye.
Ouch.
Could be worse.
Yeah, it could be in your mouth. Now that just goes.
Could be what?
In your mouth.
Yeah. I think I'd have a heart attack. A germaphobe attack.
Germaphobe attack. Yeah.
Oh. Chin up.
Right. Go, Kenzie, go.
Do one.
2.
No, it's really hard. Dead man hold.
What's that?
You have to.
Do it.
You have to go like this on the bar and you have to pull yourself up.
Oh.
Terrible.
Oh. No.
Get ready to be entertained.
Get ready to be entertained, packmates. Go, dear, go, go. Go, Kenzie, go.
Oh.
Talk to Miss.
Here comes the monster from the lake. You look like the ring crawling out of the mirror. Come out from the TV. Ah! Yes, swimming in the rain.
I'm all wet.
She's all wet. Would you like a towel?
Here comes the monster from the lake. You look like the ring crawling out of the mirror. Come out from the TV. Ah! Yes, swimming in the rain. She's all wet. Would you like a towel?